Do a very quick video. I'm actually running very late as always, which is a bad thing, but I thought I'd do a very quick video on my personal experience and my first time on wish.com. As many of you know, wish.com is a website, an online website where you can get pretty much almost anything. So yeah, so I ordered quite a few things for quite a reasonable price. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how it looked on the pictures and show you what it looks like in real life and what I expected and what I actually got, and also the ups and the downs of it as well. So yeah, keep tuned. And by the way, I have a fever blister. Don't judge. It's really hot here and I just always get fever blisters when it's super hot. So yeah, keep watching, guys. So I'm running really late. I need to go do my hair, so I'm gonna do one for now that's gonna be quite easy and simple. So the first one I got was a dress. Now this dress I ordered just after Black Friday, so the 29th was Black Friday, and the following Monday, which was Cyber Monday as well, I think it was like the 30 something or something like that of November 2019. And I ordered this dress thinking that I'm going to have it for Christmas, I'll get it just in time, etc, etc. Expected between 3 weeks to like a couple of like weeks, right? So I thought, oh no man, it will be here before Christmas. Ordered the dress and other couple of things, and I waited and I waited and I waited, and I thought, okay, maybe a month. So I thought I'd get it just before Christmas, and unfortunately I didn't get it just before Christmas. I only got the dress literally yesterday. What was the date yesterday? 31st of January 2020. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in all fairness though, I will say today is Saturday. I got the SMS to go and get the dress on like Monday or Tuesday, right? So it was probably basically 2 months. Okay, so yeah, bear that in mind, guys, when you are going to be ordering something on Wish. I think maybe because I am all the way in South Africa, it is going to take a bit longer compared to if you may be in Canada, I don't know, or maybe close to the east, or anywhere else up there in the world. So yeah, so it took me literally 2 months. So yeah, so I got the dress yesterday night. Well, yesterday I got home and I took it off. It came in this plastic radio. Did it? Oh no, wait, it actually came in this packet and the dress was in this plastic, right? So inside, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, so I'm going to show you what the picture looks like maybe over here, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on video, and I'll take a picture as well. Okay, but I'm running late, so I'm going to make this very quick. And yeah, so, and that's another thing, and what I didn't expect as well from Wish, as you know, and you get these things for like really cheap and affordable, and then also like the shipping will be like what, $1, $2, right? So you think, okay, cool, that's done. So I put the address where it needed to be dropped off, only to find out that I had to go to the post office around the area where I actually wanted to deliver to get the item, which is obviously for custom reasons, right? For custom. So I never expected that. So as much as you put down your address where you want it to be delivered, unfortunately you're still gonna have to go fetch it from the post office in that area. And so how much are you looking at spending for each collection? And remember, you're buying a few things. So for example, I bought like 4 stuff in that same shopping spree. So, and they come at different times. They don't come all at the same time, right? So which I thought maybe, but they don't, because they're coming from different stores in China. So I never really thought about that. I thought maybe they'd put it like in one box and it would come to me or whatever, but no, they come one by one at their own each time if they're coming from different stores, right? So in any case, so I went to the post office, and you're looking at spending at about minimum, I've spent about 28 for like one collection, to about 58 bucks. So yeah, I think I have one more collection I need to get on Monday, which is 100 and something, but you're looking at about 50 something for each collection. So keep that in mind as well, right? So that's just, yeah. So so that's just another thing as well. And then obviously you go to the post office, you need your ID or driver's license to collect it. You'll get an SMS as well on your phone saying, from the post office saying, hi, your international collection is ready for collection. Please come. You have $28 to pay and bring your ID or your driver's license, and that's about it, which I was so shocked I never knew. So I went to get it, and then that was about it really. So yeah, this is what the dress looks like. I'm going to show you guys very quickly. And yeah, I have a neighbor that's moving in downstairs, so that's why I keep looking down. Anyways, let me show you what the dress looks like. Can see, but yeah, so this is the dress. I'm happy with it. It does obviously look more expensive on the pictures online, but guys, you have to be also realistic. If you're paying very low for something, you can't expect too much for it as well, right? You have to be realistic and put 1 and 2 together, so you can't have high expectations. And yeah, it is what it is. You're not always gonna get it. So I'm not like, I mean, I expected this. You know, I knew the pictures were a bit nicer looking, but knowing that it's from Russia, knowing that it wasn't so expensive, I sort of was expecting this, and I'm actually not too disappointed. You know, I think it could have been worse. And the material isn't too bad either. It's got like a lycra sort of, I think it's a lycra sort of feeling. It's really nice for the summer, and yeah, that's what it is. Perfect for that. Easy going. I wasn't expecting anything extremely high quality, but for what I paid for, it matches. You know, what I paid for and what I got, it matches. The only problem was that it took so long to get here. 2 months is very long, and it could have been my Christmas dress, but I'm not bummed about it, and that's what it is. I will be showing you guys more items that I got, really cool ones, especially for the girls that I got. But I need to get going. I need to go wash out this conditioner, and then I need to go and do my hair. Cool guys, so I'll see you a bit later. Keep tuned. Okay, bye.